Subscriber actually gave me this M at Ace Cafe Me. Pretty dope. I believe his name was Alexis. So thank you, Alexis. I enjoyed it for the time it was on, but I had to switch it up, bro. Shit, I'll give it back, you feel me? I'm sure you can make some bread. Maybe I'll even give it away to one of you guys. Let me know, Alexis.
I'm gonna put 11. I'm gonna put like 11 and a half on my next setup. Like 11 and a half.
That shit is tough, bro. -7 air down, right?
Yeah.
I can't see shit. Do it look good? Just some good bartending. I know a lot of people use a lot of different oil. I know some people use 5W30, 5W40. I use 10W30 because it's really hot in Florida. You feel me? You need a little bit thicker oil. Especially during the summer, be feeling like 100 every day, bro. Topped off the car at like 4.5 quarts. Let's get it down, start the engine, and see where the oil level's at. Usually I stop it around 4.5, 4.6 quarts. So let me know what you guys usually use for oil. If you guys have a boosted Civic, boosted K24, just let me know what type of oil you guys use down in the comments. Finally done changing the oil. I'm at Walmart right now. I'm about to grab some groceries. Also just threw on the carbon fiber emblem. Carbon fiber in black. I got it off of Etsy from somebody in Turkey. Looks pretty nice, bro. Sky looks crazy, bro. Got out of Walmart, got my groceries. I'm about to go home, man. Been a long day. Went straight to the gym in the morning. Haven't been back home since, so.
It made no type of sense, bro. They're like these kids like you who can't watch the movie because you gonna try and do shit that they did in the fucking movie. Oh my
This shit was stick shift, bro. Had the stick shift in space, nigga.
Switch gears in space, motherfucker. Talk about something.
Bro,
This lineup was better than anything they had in the movie, bro. Better than anything they had in the movie, bro.
Hey, hold on real quick. Can we appreciate the grandma that was sliding, bro?
the grandma.
Grandma, she was sliding, bro.
Look at this lineup. Look, we pulled up deep to Fast 9, bro. Lineup looking crazy. Sheesh. Bruh, where? You was doing a donut right here, smack.
Yeah, bro, no.
Oh shit, little boy. Show me some. Oh. Nigga, this look like a fucking airport, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, I didn't let that shit weird, but I'm drift this shit. Front wheel drive, nigga. Hey, yo, y'all boys, you trying to kill me, bro. Someone look at the TC, bro. Yo, that little wing. Them big ass wheels and orange test. I'm about to fire your ass up. Bookie ass protege. Stop playing with that. That's not a Ellie, that's a scout, boy. That's your head, friend. Yeah. You know, f***er here to take my money? Oh, some type of industrial area, bro. What the f***? Oh! Oh! Yo! Yo! Damn, bro. I don't feel no wet socks. We good. We good. Oh, shit. This is where the NBA players walk and shit. All right. All right. Lighting in this bitch look crazy. Damn, bro. Where that Dodgers booth at? Where my son Dustin at, bro? Hey, I'm going straight over there, nigga. Oh shit, these look familiar as fuck. Bag Max, Bag of Court. At 1300?
It has a 2J bottom with a 1J head.
Oh, that's sick, bro.
We got a lot to learn.
Yeah. Oh, they opening the door and shit. That boy almost stalled.
Okay.
Them Trini niggas, bruh. Jesus.
Where the fuck was that car? Oh, that's a race car. That's wheels right. That's wheels right.
Yo. Hey, nigga.
They're cooler, that's why I fucking.
My fault, bro. Tints are so clean. Oh shit. God damn. That's it,
That's 1,000 horsepower Evo. Shit's tough. Crazy. Boy, getting some flicks real quick. That boy Dustin out of here. Yo, I never seen this bitch on foot.
I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
He getting nervous. Hey.
That deported himself. He can't stop smiling.
Y'all need a personal trainer, man. Y'all already know what to do, man. Full patrol fitness, man.
Man, ain't nobody say plug yourself, nigga. He said, what you gotta say to get, fam, nigga? They gon' plug himself. Hey, yo, follow Corey Ray on YouTube, bro.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patty.